Hey guys, what's going on? It's Curt KC0VFO with another field day update. My dad and I, we rented a hotel just for Friday night. We're heading over to the field day site in Strasbourg, probably 9 o'clock-ish. It's 6:17 right now. So we're just making coffee and making breakfast. And I've got my coffee here. Blazing hot, but it's still good. I'm going to say see you guys later. Please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and please share the video because it's all about field day and getting the word out. So with that, I'll say see you guys later. KC0VFO signing off.